Anyone can build software now. Making it safe, stable, and ready for real customers is a different job. That's the job we do. I'm Siddharth Mendis, founder and CEO of NukyLabs LLC. I have been building software for last 7 years. I started NukyLabs as an Upwork agency in 2024 and incorporated in Wyoming, United States in 2025. Our engineering team is based in Sri Lanka. Almost every project we take on starts in one of the two places. A founder has an application that was built quickly, often with AI coding tools, and it is not ready for real users. Or a business that is running on manual tasks which should have been automated years ago. We take the first application and make it production ready. We close the security gaps, replace placeholder codes with real integrations, and deploy it on infrastructure that you own. And we build systems around it. Custom APIs, document processing, retrieval systems, and AI agents that hold up under real load. I hold top rated plus status on Upwork, which is the top 3% talent on the platform. Our clients are in the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Netherlands, and Australia. We do not only build for clients, we have built and shipped our own product, Message Future. It is live today on the App Store, Play Store, and on the web. The standards we hold for our own products are the standards we bring into yours. We also build for regulated environments, financial services, healthcare, and insurance. If your product has to meet GDPR, CPPA, or HIPAA requirements, we build those controls from the start. Data handling, consent, access control, encryption, and audit trails are part of the specification, not something we add in the end. Every project is led by senior engineers and thoroughly reviewed before it reaches the client. We work under NDAs and fixed price milestones, so you always know what is being delivered and when. And for founders without technical co-founder, we work as your technical partner on the decisions that are expensive to get wrong. If you are building something that has to work for real customers, I would like to hear about it. You can book a call with us at NukyLabs.com. Thank you for watching.